Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're back with project number 2 of my alternates 2 out of 10 for the February 2024 Sweet Springtime Paper Pumpkin Kit. Here's a reminder of what the kit makes. If you haven't seen the unboxing and demonstration of the kit, go back and watch that video. And this is the box that it came in. Okay, I just want to let you know I have already designed all the rest of the cards. Here they are, cut up, ready to go. So, before we get started on our project, let's go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our March Paper Pumpkin Kit, Memorable Meadows, that comes with a free stamp set, makes 9 cards, a green, garden green classic stamping spot. If you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can go ahead and add the Love of Spring dies to your order, and it does coordinate with January, February, and March's Paper Pumpkin Kit. It's $12 for 4 dies, item number 164396. Click the link in the description box below if you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. Next up, we have our mystery boxes. This is the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed with my retired Stampin' Up! Products. Some are new, some are used, but they're all retired. I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included. I can only sell in the U.S. I can only mail in the U.S. Stampwithshawna@gmail.com is my email if you're interested, okay? Lastly, we have our February host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more. Don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up!, and we don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Don't forget, it's still February, so that means we're still have our Sale-A-Bration going on, where you can earn free products with every $50 that you spend before shipping and tax, okay? Now, that is all the buzzworthy business, so let's get started on our project. I am making a mini slim line, just like they did in the kit. So I have a card base here of Berry Burst, 6.5 by 6 1/4, scored at 3 1/4. And I took the card front from the mini slim line card, and I cut it down to 6 1/8 by 3 1/8. And we're just gonna glue this right down to our card base. That's the first thing we're gonna do because it's quick and easy. It's gonna have the tiniest little border, just like that. Then we're going to do some stamping. This is the inside piece. This is basic white. It is 6 1/8 by 3 1/8, just like the layer on the front. We're gonna stamp on this using Early Espresso. We're going to stamp a flower right there with a little chick next to it, just like that. And then while we have the ink out, we're going to go ahead and stamp our sentiment on this little banner here, and we're going to stamp Springtime Greetings. Went a little slanted, but that's okay. We can't do it over. Can't turn that over. Okay, so I'm going to do a little coloring. So just like before, I did the light Daffodil Delight for the flowers here. And again, I'm not fully coloring it in. I just want to add a little color. And we're going to do the same with our little chick here. Just color it in. Rough color. I'm going to do light crumb cake for the flower centers. And I'll do his legs in the light crumb cake. We're going to get light pumpkin pie and do the beak real quick like that. And the light Granny Apple Green. Is this Granny Apple Green? Nope, that's Lemon Lime Twist. Granny Apple Green. Just like we did before. Very simple coloring. And we're going to just, oh, that goes here. We're going to add this to the inside of our card. Just like that. Isn't that cute? Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. Now I have, this is what I showed you from the previous card when I cut out the little chicks that was in here. This is what it cut from, and we're going to use this as part of our card today. I tried not to let anything go to waste when I designed these cards. So we're going to put this right on the front, try to get it centered. Try to get that centered on here. Then I went ahead and die cut from the largest Stylish Shapes dies. I used the Stylish Shapes dies again. This is the largest circle. And we're just gonna cover up that hole with that circle. So you won't even know that there's a hole under there. Okay, then we're gonna put our springtime greetings down here. I like these colors, the kit that comes in this kit. I think I need to put this a little further up. Then I'm gonna get some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I took one of the bunnies and chick from the kit. And we're gonna put Stampin' Dimensionals on it. Maybe one more. Ooh. Okay, I know you want to go on the card. You don't have to hold on to me. And I'm not going to put this, I want this on top of our sentiment banner. I'm trying to make sure the ears of the bunny doesn't go over the top of the card. Okay, just like that. And then we're going to add some bling. I have the opaque faceted gems. These are from the Sale-A-Bration brochure. You can get these for free with a $50 order before shipping and tax. Where's my take your pick tool? I'm going to use some of the pecan pie. Is this pecan pie? Yeah, pecan pie little gems here. I'll put another big one. I'll put one right there. And that is our card done. Isn't that cute? This is project number 2. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Don't forget to come back for the rest of the videos 1 through 10. All right? Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.